Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have an announcement. We just restocked all of our products on MariamHampton.com. So all of your favorite hair growth products are back in stock. I made the black rice water shampoo available for pre-order because so many people, I didn't even know so many people would be interested in this product. So I made it available for pre-order so you guys can get your hands on that as well. And we have a lot of new launches as well as sales and promotions coming up this month. So be sure to subscribe to MariamHampton.com so you can be notified of all the updates, sales, promotions, launches, you name it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to grow hair fast and how to maximize your hair growth potential while it is in a protective style. So as you guys know, I've been having my braids in my hair for about 3 weeks now, and I'm going to be sharing with you something that I do weekly to help my hair growth potential. So treating your scalp with the nutrition that it needs when it is in a protective style is key because I always see the most hair growth when I have my hair in a protective style, and after I take it out, I always see the most hair growth. So washing your hair is completely fine if you have braids or twists, but you just have to remember to be very gentle because you don't want to mess up the style. So if you guys watched my previous vlog when I was in Vegas, we went dirt bike riding and my hair was so messed up afterwards, but it was an easy fix because all I did was use my black rice water shampoo. I used a little bit of that and I put it all over my hands and the length of my hair, and the dirt was so easy to get out. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I use my new Maximum Strength Hair Growth Shampoo Bar to cleanse my scalp when I have it in braids. And this is something that I do once a week. So this shampoo bar is 100% natural, made with the most potent herbs and oils to maximize hair growth. So we have olive leaf powder, rosemary, avocado, shea butter, castor, natural henna, you name it. So you can use the shampoo directly on your scalp, like apply it directly to your scalp when you have your hair out and not in a protective style. But today you want to be very, very gentle because you don't want to mess up your style. So you're going to be using a little bit of this stuff and gently rubbing it into your scalp without disrupting the style. So as you can see, I'm being extremely gentle because you don't want to be too, rough or aggressive because that can really make your braids look old, and then you're going to have to take out your braids because you want fresh looking braids, obviously. So be very gentle while doing this to your scalp. And you will notice how refreshed and amazing your scalp feels after applying the shampoo bar directly to your scalp. And I can't wait to share with you guys a video of me applying it to my scalp when my hair is down, because you can really, really go crazy when you have your hair down and just like apply the shampoo directly to your scalp, and it just feels so good. But today we're being very, very gentle because we don't want to mess up our braids. So after I'm done with that, I will take a damp towel and just apply it to my scalp and kind of rub out some of that shampoo out of my hair. So after that, you want to go ahead and apply our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Oil directly to your scalp. And this oil is a combination of 39 of the most potent oils and herbs to help grow fast hair. And this product is amazing. It has helped so many of my customers transform their hair, make their edges grow back. Some of my customers even had alopecia, and this product helped their hair grow back. So this by far is one of my favorite products in my entire hair growth collection, just because it has helped so many people and we've saw the results firsthand. So I'm just amazed every time I see the before and after pics of my customers. So after you apply that to your scalp, you're going to go ahead and massage that into your scalp. And I actually love applying the oil in my scalp when I have braids because I can see my scalp more. And last but not least, I wanted to share with you guys the Sunflower Seed Hydrating Oil Mist. And this is something that I apply to my scalp throughout the day, or whenever I feel as if my scalp is feeling a little bit dry. And it does a great job at just refreshing my scalp. And it's amazing with the LOC and LCO method with sealing in that moisture in your hair. But yeah, this is how my scalp looks. It feels super, super refreshed, and I cannot wait until I take down my braids so I can see the growth that I have. I think I'm gonna take them down maybe in 2 weeks. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Growth. And be sure to shop all your hair growth needs at miriamhampton.com. All right, see you guys next time.